Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel HelloHelper, and friend, my name is Vijay and today I'm going to show you how to use voice typing in Google Docs. So friend, in this tutorial, how you can use Google Docs space to tags. Here I'm going to show you step by step all the things. So friend, you will learn very new thing over here. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials on our YouTube channel. So friend, let's see on the computer how to use voice typing in Google Docs. So friend, what you will do, first of all, we are going to open Google Docs. So what you will do, simply type here Google Docs or simply search Google Docs in your browser. Okay, so here we are going to type Google Docs. You can simply search Google Docs, so you will get these two websites. Okay, you simply click on this first link. So what happened, this dashboard will showing here. Here you can simply click on this Google Docs. So what happened, you will directly redirect to your Google Docs. So what things are important over here? Whenever you want to access Google Docs, you must logged in with by your Gmail account. Okay, you must have Gmail account, then after you can access these things. So friend, here simply I'm going to click on this Google Docs, and here I'm already logged in my Gmail account in this PC. So I'm getting this option. Right now we are going to click on this black document. So friend, here you can see my black document is created, and now I'm going to show you how you can easily voice typing over here. Okay, you simply click on these tools, and whenever you click on these tools, then you will get these options. You simply find out voice typing, and here you can use these things by your keyboard shortcut also. What you will do, simply if you are using PC, then you can simply use Ctrl+Shift+S, you will get voice typing option. And if you are using Mac PC, then simply click on, you can use your keyboard shortcut like Command+Shift+S, so this will open. So right now we are going to click on this voice typing. So friend, here you can see this is my disable voice typing is open now. When I click over here, then this mic will enable and we talk, then that will automatically type over here. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So friend, whenever you are doing first time these things, then you will get this option for permission. This is asking you to allow to use your microphone. So we are going to click on this allow, and after that when I speak something, that automatically will type over here. Okay, let's see how it will work. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel HelloHelper. My name is Vijay, and today we are going to see how to use voice typing in Google Docs. So friend, here you can see I just speaking over here, and it is automatically typing all the things on this page. Okay, so by this way you can easily use these things and easily use voice typing. Now I'm going to show you something advanced by the command. You can also do the formatting and all the things you can do over here. Okay, so let's see how to use command over here. Okay, so right now I'm going to enable again and see how to use command over here by voice typing. Select line, bigger, bold, underline, bigger. By this command you can also control your formatting in Google Docs. Here you can see friend, I apply all the command and that is used over here very easily. Let's see which type of commands you can do in Google Docs. So here you will get this question icon which is called voice typing help. You simply click on that, so this helping command will open. Here I'm going to show you what things you can do your voice. So friend, here you will see type with your voice. You simply click on that, and this way you can easily enable your voice. Okay, now we are going to see about the formatting part. Here you can select tags. Here all the things you can simply ask select all. So what happen, all things are select. Let's see how it will work. Select all. So friend, here you can see these things are all selected. Now we want to do next line, select line and last line. Okay, select line, select last line. So friend, you can see by this way you can easily use select command over here. Okay, now we are going to see another option. Here you can also use formatting. Okay, what you will do in formatting, here we are going to do that. Select all, bold, italic, apply title, lowercase, underline, apply subtitle, apply normal text, bold. So friend, by this way you can easily do these things in your Google Docs. I hope this is amazing thing which I show you. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things, how to use voice typing in Google Docs. And friend, if you have any query or question, you can comment me below so I will give you the answer. And friend, this is my request to you guys, please comment me below yes if you like this video, and also share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we uploading this type of tutorials on our YouTube channel. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.